Now we're moving on to the bones and muscles of the lower leg. We already know a lot of this information, okay? So we're going to draw a front view of a right leg. So we'll have the top of a femur, and then we'll go into the new information. We have the top of the right femur. We have a patella, that knee bone. Now, the two bones of the lower leg we've already talked about, the tibia and the fibula. The tibia, we'll start with. Now, the tibia, I've referred to it before as this triangular bone, and I mean that three-dimensionally. If you were to take a tibia and saw it, first of all, you'd probably get arrested, but if you had a tibia that you could saw into, like you're cutting down a tree, if you look down at it, the shape would be triangular, right? Now you have your fibula on the outer side, that fibular head. So that top arch of the foot is down there. These are your ankles, right? Femur, patella, tibia, fibula, fibular head. Sting your paper where you see this knuckle of bone protruding out, okay? It catches the light. It will make your drawing look so much more informed if you know that fibular head. Now I'm going to switch to red to talk about the muscles. I will include one muscle of the upper leg just to show you a gestural line that you should be able to capture. So remember that longest muscle in the body, the sartorius, the Taylor's muscle, how it has that barber pole shape and it actually connects to the tibia. Okay, this barber poling, just continue that line. Now the muscle doesn't go all the way down, but just continue that train of thought, that barber poling down the tibia, okay? The muscles of the lower leg, very simple. One of them you only really need to worry about from the back view, but it is visible from the front as well. There's not a lot going on. The first one we'll talk about is the tibialis. It is in between the fibula and the tibia, okay? The outer muscle, right, this is the outer part of the right leg. The muscle that we'll talk about is the peroneus, okay? Peroneus, okay? Peroneus on the outside, tibialis. The tibialis touches the tibia, okay? Now the only other muscle is actually a muscle of the back of the leg, but we can see it. It's called the gastrocnemius, and we will talk about that in greater detail from the back view.